In this guide, I'll show you how to fix the error message in Windows when you try to open an application and you get the error, "This app has been blocked for your protection." So the very first thing we're going to do is try launching the application as an administrator. And we can do this simply by right-clicking on the application, come over to Properties, and head inside of the Compatibility tab. Inside of here, we just need to ensure that Run this program as administrator is ticked, and then press Apply and OK, and you can try launching your application. Now, this doesn't always fix the issue, so if that's still not working, what you need to do is head over to your Start menu and search for Windows Security. And then just tap on this Windows Security icon here. And we need to come inside of Virus and Threat Protection, come down to Virus and Threat Protection Settings and click Manage Settings. And then we're going to disable this real-time protection by toggling this off. And we can then close out of this window. And the next thing you need to do is come back over to the Start menu, search for Account Control Settings. And then we need to select Change User Account Control Settings. Inside of this window, we just want to drag this slider to all the way at the bottom here and press OK. And then if that's still not fixed the issue, the last thing we can do is head back over to the Start menu, and this time search for Registry Editor, and then come over to the Registry Editor. Inside of here, we just need to come over to HKey Local Machine and expand this folder inside of Software, and then we need to scroll all the way down to find the Microsoft folder and expand this, and once again come down until we find the Windows folder, and then just expand this Windows folder down here. Inside of Current Version, come down to find the Policies folder, and just expand this Policies folder here. And this time we're going to select this System folder, and inside of this System folder, we'll see a bunch of files on the right here, and you need to locate this Enable LUA file. Then we're simply going to double click on this file and then change the value data from 1 to 0 and hit OK. And then you can close out of the Registry Editor, and you'll need to restart your computer for these changes to take effect. And then once you've restarted your computer, that should have now fixed the issue where the application was being blocked. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.